Good morning from Mill Creek in Ohio, Berlin, Ohio. Slept amazing last night. This is the way the park looks in the morning. Taking the dog for a little walk, or she's walking me right now, apparently. Yeah, I slept really good. It was quiet. Woke up a couple of times. I think raccoons came nearby. The dog saw them and barked, or heard them and barked. So, anyways, I'm gonna go walk the dog. This is like a main road through the camp. See people drive through here all the time for some reason. It must get to something else. Maybe I'll explore in the car. I've got all the time in the world now. So at the beginning of this trip, it was a rush to get to the first stop, and then a rush to get to the next stop. Checkout times were early. It was just too much. I should have taken my time in the beginning, and I didn't. But here we are now, wandering around aimlessly. Checkout time's at 1 p.m. And it's let me see. It's 8:27 right now, so I've got plenty of time. I didn't fully unpack the car. I don't plan on cooking breakfast and all that stuff. So I'm gonna walk the dog down to the water, and then I'm gonna walk around this park a little bit, and I'm gonna walk back to the car, and then I'm gonna feed her, and she's gonna eat. Anyways, check in with you at the campsite.